Earlybird's type in Earlybird.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Earlybird's type in Earlybird. Sticky's stream start time is as follows: 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Central Time, and 8 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And in Canada, 8 to 10 p.m. It depends where you are at in Canada. Earlybird winner will be pulled at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races start at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And in your area where your time is equally.
It's time for Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Let's go quack quack.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Earlybird's type Earlybird.
Sticky's is so much fun.
We want to welcome you to the show.
I am so glad I found Sticky's best time I have had in years.
Stream opening starting time 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races starting time 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and full stream opening time. We have the bin / no bin or spin. We have the Wheel of Doom, the last man standing. Friends, chat, fun, and games all stream long. New prizes every week. We add prizes weekly.
Always so much fun at Sticky's.
The fun never stops at Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Lots of nice prizes to be won.
I really enjoyed the duck races. It was easy to win a nice prize. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the notification bell as to be notified when Sticky's post next. Nothing but love and a little peace.
I will return. I hope you do.
Welcome new friends, and welcome back friends and family.
I enjoyed the bin, no bin, or spin. Thank you.
We thank you for your support.
Who's ready for a duck race?
What time is it? It's time for the duck races. Let's go. Quack, quack. Quack. Happy Friday, friends and family. We hope you have a safe and happy time till we see you all again. This is a family-friendly channel. Please no politics or religion. Thank you. Please no bad language. Keep it family-friendly. Thank you. Lots of love from your friends here at Sticky's. Truly yours, Jerry, Robin, and Graham's Beach.
I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing for sure, yeah.
See you soon.
So much more. I could be a fighter when your back's against that wall.
Sticky's 2024.
Oh, headed towards that ball. I'll be trying on the fire. No prayer and no way down, baby. Let me be a fighter. By your side, I'm going out.
Thank you from Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. We welcome you to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Stream starts 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Earlybird's type in Earlybird. Earlybird spinner rule starts at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Quack, quack.
Sticky's and Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. Puppies Roxy and Daisy and Kitty Henry say let's go.
Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways brought to you from Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024.
Boom.
Please keep watching to the very end. Thank you.
Darn it, I can't get through.
Sorry, but the number you have dialed is in an alternate dimension. Please hang up and rotate your phone 180 degrees, flip it around, and try again 15 minutes ago from last Tuesday.
Hope see you Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Earlybird spinner will 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Thank you, Sticky.